Good Sunday morning, everybody. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. The Texas flag flying on this beautiful Sunday. I don't know, it's probably 65, 70 degrees. And Ralph did a thing this last week. Ralph did a thing last week. 98 Harley Dyna Lowrider with the Evolution engine. She's all stock except for the pipes and the seat. Grips and stuff have been changed, obviously. Little stuff, wear items like foot pegs and stuff. Getting ready to go enjoy a Sunday ride on this beautiful day. And we'll get back to this thing. We're gonna have some videos on this motorcycle. We'll have some videos while I ride on this motorcycle once I get set up. Take y'all for some hill country tours. We'll take you on a trip of the modifications and things we're gonna do to this machine. I'm gonna start running parts on this thing with fuel prices like they are. I'm gonna get a set of bags for it and everything. And gonna make this my parts runner / weekend toy. Just have a good time out here. I'm in Leakey, Texas, and that's pretty much the riding capital of Texas. Anybody wants to get out here and do some riding, hit me up. Talk to y'all later.